So we are continuing with the lecture series on forestry optional paper of APSC Forest Ranger examinations. So let's start today's lecture. Today's lecture's first question is, a man is the part of biotic community. Option A says always, option B, only when he lives in big cities, option C, only when he lives in forest, option D, never. But it is very usual that we are part of biotic community always, right? So answer should be option A. Coming to the next question, the percentage of light energy utilized for photosynthesis by higher plants. Photosynthesisৰ কাৰণে কিমান light energy higher plants কিনিয়ে utilize কৰে? And the answer will be option D, that is 1. 1% of light energy utilized for photosynthesis by higher plants. Then next question, the pyramid of number in a forest ecosystem is, so rhomboidal, upright, inverted, linear, আৰু এটো হ'ব rhomboidal, আৰু rhomboidal to shape to এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হয়. Look at here. Here at the level 1, you will see grass, then above it, grasshoppers kinds of insects, then we have frog, then snake, then hawk, like that. So this is a kind of rhomboidal structure. So the pyramid of number in a forest ecosystem is rhomboidal. Option A is correct. Next question, which of the following belong to the same topic level? আৰু দিয়া হোৱা অপশ্যনৰ ভিতৰত অপশ্যন এ টো কাৰেক্ট হ'ব, that is east and monotropa. So east and monotropa belongs to the same topic level. আপোনালোকলৈ কোৱেশ্চন এটা থাকিল যে east and monotropa topic level কোনটোত belong কৰে? In which topic level east and monotropa belongs? Kindly answer by comments. Next, sulfur is returned to the soil by, sulfur কিহৰ দ্বাৰা soil return কৰে? And the answer is consumers and decomposers. So C option is correct. Then next question, which of the following serves as source of carbons in plants? And out of the given options, option B, that is atmospheric carbon dioxide, will be correct. So আমাৰ plants খিনিয়ে plants খিনিক যিখিনি কাৰ্বন লাগে সেইখিনি ক'ৰ পৰা আসলতে সংগ্ৰহ কৰে? আনসাৰটো হৈছে atmospheric carbon dioxide. Next question, measurement involved in forest maturation. Forest maturation মানে হৈছে forest খিনি কেনেকৈ আমি জোখো বা মেজাৰ কৰো, যেনেকৈ tree height, tree volume, এইবিলাক maturation ভিতৰত পৰে. So এইটো কোৱেশ্চন সুধিছে যে মেজাৰমেন্ট কি থাকে, কি ইনক্লুড হয় ফৰেষ্ট ম্যাচুৰেশনত, and the correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. That is determination of the dimension, form, volume, age, and increments of logs, single trees, stands, or whole, PCFT. Then statement B, it is art of taking measurements for compiling data. In forestry, this art is applied or used for measuring the forest produce, as for example, timber, firewood, standing trees, crops. Okay, so এইখিনি কামত আমি measurement কৰিবলৈ forest maturation to deal কৰো. Option C, both A and B are correct. Next question, the kinds of measurements in forest maturation include cut or felled material, individual trees, crop or standing trees. আৰু আমি জানো যে ফৰেষ্ট ম্যাচুৰেশনৰ গোটেইবিলাক এই গোটেইখিনি কাট এণ্ড ফেল মেটেৰিয়েল, ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেল ট্ৰিজ, crop or standing trees, এই গোটেইখিনিকে ইউজ কৰোঁ. So option E is the correct answer. All of the above. Next question, the types of tree height include, tree height কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ টাইপ থাকে? টোটেল, বলি, মাৰ্চেন্টেবল, all of that. ইয়াতো types of tree height গুটেগিটাই, that is total, boli, marchantable, গুটেগিটা হয়. So D is the correct answer, all of the above. আপোনালোকে এবাৰ চাই ল'ব পাৰে. Total tree height, then marsh top to this is the marchantable height, tip, so stamp, bilak term bahut important hoy. So I hope that now it is clear to you. So with this, I'm ending today's lectures on the forestry paper of APSC Forest Ranger examinations. The next lecture on the same subject will be coming very soon. Till then, start preparing for the examinations with as efficient as or with as much effort as possible. আৰু আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত বহুত সোনকালে লগ পাই আছো তেতিয়ালৈকে টেক কেয়াৰ বাই বাই জয় অসম